Hello, everybody, and welcome to topic two. So we are going to go over lesson one for topic two, and it's a pretty important part of our human history because everybody at some point is descended from one of these people called a hunter-gatherer. So we are going to be talking about the Paleolithic Age, and it's also known as the Old Stone Age or the Stone Age. If you've ever seen the Flintstones or seen Flintstone vitamins or heard of a caveman or cave person, you have somehow been exposed to the Paleolithic Age. So it began about 3 million or 2.5 million years ago. We're still figuring this stuff out. And it lasted up until 8,000 BC. So it lasted a really long time. People spent more time in the Paleolithic Age, way more time than we've been spending in our modern age. So a very long time, people were hunter-gatherers. And it all changed when basically the climate changed. So when people were hunter-gatherers, they were also known as nomads. So a nomadic person doesn't stay in one spot. They follow their prey. They follow the animals around so they can survive. And during the Paleolithic Age, we know from archaeology and archaeogenetics that people learned how to make fire. They also had somewhat limited tools, and they also did have some kind of spoken language. We know this through archaeology. So about 100,000 BC, the most recent ice age began. All right, and during the ice age, the level of water went down, and as a result, a land bridge was revealed connecting Asia with North America. So now we know from archaeology, from our social scientists, that the first evidence of human beings that we know today are from Africa. And we will be going through this, but we spread all throughout the planet. We left Africa, went into Asia, into Europe, and then spread on to Asia into now the Americas. So during the Ice Age, the water level went down, so a lot of land was exposed, so people could easily walk across what is now oceans. Now, it didn't take just a day of walking across an ocean. After generations and generations, thousands of years, people slowly migrated across these land bridges and settled in new areas. Now, humans survived the Ice Age by adapting to their surroundings. They changed their diet, they built sturdier shelters, and they used animal skins to make warmer clothing. So we might be doing a project how we adapt to our environment. And we might be making a shelter perhaps without any tools such as nails and hammers and things like that. So we will be showing you some videos and things like that to kind of help you with the Paleolithic Age. But just know it was a very long time. And humans basically followed around woolly mammoths and other animals to get their protein and to get to their nutrition. And they relied heavily upon for their clothing from these animals, and so they followed them around. And they never really set up shop, or they never really sat down. They didn't sit down at all. They were constantly moving. So that's what you need to know. Make sure you write these down in your notes. Okay, we'll be going through this a ton because this is actually pretty important so you can understand the rest of your history.